water at 1 o'clock.
Wait, is it just like bedtime?
Really?
Yeah, you get to reach the bedtime.
So you just push it here.
Right.
There.
Yeah.
Video.
Firemen have a cup of tea with their sandwiches. Okay, you do it.
Hello.
Edward is going down to the seaside at 2 o'clock.
Duck.
Trevor and the traction engine would like to go too. He will finish work at 3 o'clock.
MD English, you can see.
Finishes work at 3. Number 3 right here.
Can you put it on YouTube?
Yep. Henry can't go past the broken track. He's due at the station at 4 o'clock. Thomas comes to the rescue with a breakdown train. 4 o'clock. Thomas goes back to the engine shed at 5 o'clock. He is very tired. What time? 5 o'clock. By 6 o'clock, all the little engines are fast asleep. Sleep well, Thomas. 6 o'clock. Yeah. Minus 6, okay. Can you tell me what time is it?
Oh, it's like the thing you use to 6.
What time is it?
Green.
7.
Good boy. What time is it?
8.
What time is it?
9.
Then?
5.
No.
She knows what's going on, and she doesn't know
What time is it?
She got knowledge.
No. What time is it now?
3. Look at this, B.
What time is it now?
Come on.